Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we will be comparing two popular Canon cameras, the EOS M200 and the EOS R6. We'll be going through various categories to help you decide which one might be the best fit for your photography needs. But before we dive into the comparison, make sure to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Alright, let's get started. Both cameras deliver excellent image quality, but the EOS R6 takes it to the next level with its new 20-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. This sensor captures more details and produces stunning images, especially in low-light conditions. When it comes to autofocus, both cameras perform exceptionally well. However, the EOS M200 boasts a fast and accurate dual-pixel CMOS AF system with eye detection AF, ensuring your subjects are always in focus. On the other hand, the EOS R6 takes autofocus to a whole new level, with its dual-pixel CMOS AF covering almost 100% of the frame and utilizing deep learning technology for precise subject tracking. If you're into videography, the EOS R6 is the clear winner here. With its 4K UHD 2160p video capture resolution and the ability to shoot at high speeds, it excels in capturing smooth and professional-looking footage. While the EOS M200 also offers 4K video recording, it doesn't reach the same level of quality and features as the EOS R6. Now, let's talk about the price. The EOS M200 comes at a price of $649, making it an excellent choice for beginners or those on a budget. On the other hand, the EOS R6 is a higher-end camera priced at $2,499. Keep in mind that the price difference reflects the advanced features and capabilities offered by the EOS R6. To wrap things up, both the Canon EOS M200 and EOS R6 have their own strengths and target audiences. The EOS M200 is perfect for beginners or those looking for a compact and affordable camera without compromising image quality. On the other hand, the EOS R6 is geared towards serious photographers who demand higher-end features, exceptional autofocus capabilities, and outstanding video performance. We hope this comparison has helped you in narrowing down your options. Don't forget to let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Thanks for watching.